Hello again, back for Friday, April 14th. It's a super nice day outside, and we're flipping the Falcon. I think I actually prefer how this flips to the glider, mainly because I can grip this thing better. It has better grip, and the edges are a bit sharper, so the glider definitely seems like it's definitely better quality, but this is more comfortable to flip, I think. Oh, big doggy. Yeah. Yeah, I think I like flipping this one better. I think. But who knows, maybe I'll get better and change my mind. Who knows? We'll see. Just downloaded Dirt Rally on PC. Dirt Rally 2.0. So can't wait to play that after I do my work today. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna try to go through the story. I don't know. Forza's been boring me recently because of the car sounds and not the car sounds. The game just feels so slow. Like, I love how there's so many cars, but it's like they don't sound realistic at all. Like, they sound way better than Horizon 4, but they don't sound nearly as good as, like, I don't know. This sound better than it sounds better than a lot of games, but there's just something about it that's not that satisfying to drive. Yeah. That's just my opinion. Yeah. Well, that's all I really got today. Sorry, the flipping isn't that good today. Yeah. Yeah, I just can't stop dropping it. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hope you have a good day.